Congratulations to Community Howard on this remarkable renovation.
We love the new facility. There's a lot of great things here that are going to allow us to do better care for you.
We really feel like that we provide the best services, we feel like we have the best quality, and we can provide the best experience, and we want to showcase that when you come through the door.
Now I can truly say when patients step into the hospital, from the pre-op area to the surgical area to the recovery area, that they are able to witness and see those changes and those updates along the way. Not just aesthetics, but things that are real changes just to enhance what we do here in the community.
The expansion and extra space we've gotten in the preoperative and postoperative recovery area has helped the patient experience with giving a more comfortable space and getting patients ready for surgery. It gives a slightly more private space to speak with patients and family members regarding their operations and risks and benefits of surgery.
Community Howard has been serving the region for over 60 years. Now we're modernizing our facilities so that we can really improve that patient experience and really add on to what we have been able to offer in the past. So this $3 million renovation allowed us to really invest in the hospital, invest in our patients and our community, to improve our patient experience, to provide 9 private and semi-private prep and recovery bays. That was really what we wanted to impact. Also, we heard from our surgeons and our providers that are in the OR that we really needed to enhance our operating rooms too. So while we were in the space, we wanted to just do a complete renovation of everything there.
We had great space here, but there were some things that we were looking to try to improve for our patient care experience. So one of the things that we've been able to do is bring in new modern technology to allow us to perform surgeries here at an advanced level.
This is nice. This helps us tremendously in giving you the care that you need, but knowing that you have a staff and the providers here that want to take care of you and treat you with the utmost respect and make sure you have a great outcome, that's what's important.
I think you'll be really pleased with what we're able to offer here local to the Kokomo community and to our Howard County and surrounding areas. We have state-of-the-art center, and we have phenomenal doctors and a phenomenal team that's here to care for you.
This project is more than an investment in healthcare, it's an investment in Kokomo's future. We thank Community Howard for their vision, their commitment, and the care they provide every day.